Hello guys, happy holidays. So I give you my Christmas mood, yes, my great mood and also smile. And so let's training, yes, before holidays also we need a training. Let's go. So go to the position table, yes, and today we will do exercise for our hips, yes, and let's go. We do circles by our knees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And wait a few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And also wait. Whew, I feel how burning my head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also have a rest, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But it's not at all. Yes. So go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, also do little pushes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also do circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and another side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. And also let's do another leg. So let's go, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So breathe. Breathe what? Breathe. Brave breathe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Whew. Breathe breathe in and breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Super. Let's continue. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. So fix it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Little pushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, guys, it's so hard. I'll be honest with you, you know. But this exercise brings you a lot of benefits, you know. Strong and the brain, body, and also good health. I think it's an excellent treasure for you, for me also. Okay, so first, by your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And another side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, also fingers push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. And also compensation for your leg, yes, because like it's a very soft part of our body. And 3 times to the other side. Okay, thank you so much for attention. Also, thank you for you decide spend time with me. Yes, and so thank you for likes, subscribes, also for your watching my videos. I very appreciate, really. We have a lot of followers. I'm so happy that my trainings helps you be better, really. It's a super treasure for me. Also, if you want to make me a little present for Christmas, just see my old videos for the begin and to the end. It's enough for me. It will be enough and will be excellent present for me. Also, if you want to make me the second present, you can join my membership club on YouTube. Yes, thank you. Wish you a lot of healthy, happy, and what you want also. And so, see you soon, guys.